Rampage power lifter. This wheel cradle rolls forward and tightens these tie-down straps as the cradle rolls forward. One must have significant slack in the tie-down strap before loading. I've marked this strap, marked the strap at the proper length. Marked right and left, just in case there's any significant difference. That way, when I initially strap the bike in, I can strap it to the marks and be good to go. To demonstrate, we shall now back the cradle off and load it up again. If you will, camera babe, please come and operate the camera and the lift. So now you can take the lift control let's pull the bike in. Good there. We've got our pins here holding this cradle. We would have to loosen these pins to advance the bike up the ramp. Let's let the bike out. I'm going to loosen this. Okay, let's let the bike out. Nice and slow and easy, good. Continue to let that out. Kickstand down. Notice how these straps are already loosening. Continue to let the bike out. And just come all the way out at once. Good. Lean the bike onto the kickstand. We can undo the tie-down straps and ride the bike away. Notice how much slack we have on each side. Next time when I go to load the bike up, I will have my marks made on each side and just roll the bike on in. To demonstrate that, let's load the bike back up. And important to know, to load it, we do have to have our pin in place, the number 3 pin. I'm going to steady this and the camera babe will operate the lift. Let's go in, up the ramp. Cradle rolls forward. Straps tension as the cradle rolls forward. Stop there. This latch has latched. We can now undo this pin and go straight up the ramp. That's a good place to stop. Let's just go ahead and let it back out and unhook it. We can stop the video if you'd like.